Welcome back to the Nightcap. Today we are going to make an LIT, Long Island Iced Tea. It's very simple. It's going to be one of the easiest drinks you make. Don't be scared because you see all of this. I know it's a lot. So we're going to build it right in here. And it's going to be like Oprah. You get 3/4 an ounce, you get 3/4 an ounce, and you get 3/4 an ounce. So we're going to go ahead and throw it all in, shake it up. Prefer to shake it. We'll get it going. So we get 3/4 an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Now we put in 3/4 an ounce of simple syrup. Those were pre-measured. So now we're going to start measuring along, putting all the spirits in there. So next we're going to put in gin, 3/4 an ounce of gin. Today we'll be using the Tanqueray. And after we finish the gin, we'll go ahead and put in the white rum, Captain Morgan white rum today for this drink. So we'll put in 3/4 an ounce right there. Next we will go with the Don Julio Blanco, so tequila action. We're gonna pour that in, 3/4 an ounce also. Like I said, this is a very simple drink. You're just throwing it all in. Not much to think about. Tip of the day for this is just get all your ingredients out, put it in line, and just go bang, bang, bang all the way through. That's the tip of the day. So next we'll do 3/4 an ounce of the Cointreau, so we'll get some triple sec in there. And then finally, last one of the 5 spirits over on this side, it's going to be the Ketel One vodka. So we'll put vodka in there. Also 3/4 an ounce, and we're just building this on top of the ice right here. So 3/4 an ounce. See, there you go. So 5 ingredients, just listed them all out, went down, hit it up. So now we're going to go ahead and just give this a little shake. Basically just get some air in there for the beverage to just taste a little lighter and get everything mixed together. So there you have it mixed. Now we're going to top it with some Coke. We're going to go ahead and put a little bit more ice in there as well, just to refill kind of the ice that got diluted while we were shaking it. There we go. Got a little ice. Top that off with the Coke. And the Coke, you're just putting in enough to change the color to make it look like iced tea. That looks like an iced tea to me. Put that over there. We're going to garnish with a lemon wheel. She's a beaut, Clark. Cheers.